Namaste everyone. Let's do a simple meditation for awareness. Please sit in a comfortable position of your choice and gently close your eyes. We will start the practice by observing a few natural breaths, ingoing and outgoing breaths through your nose. Feel the air touching your nostrils and notice the sensation of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Now, bring your attention to your body. Scan the body from the top of your head to all the way down to your toes, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Try to release any tension with each exhalation, allowing your body to relax more with each breath. Now shift your focus back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your belly and how air is filling in your lungs. You don't need to control your breath, just observe it as it flows naturally in and out. As you continue to breathe, thoughts may arise in your mind. This is normal. Instead of getting caught up in your thoughts, simply acknowledge them and gently bring your awareness back to your breath. No matter how many times you notice these thoughts in the mind, just bring your awareness back to your breath every time you get distracted with your thoughts. Allow yourself to stay in this state of awareness for a few minutes, letting go of any expectations or judgments. Simply be present in the moment, fully acknowledging whatever arises. Now, when you're ready to end your meditation, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the sounds you can hear, the smell, the taste in your mouth, the outside temperature. And whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, meditation is a process, so be patient with yourself and keep practicing daily. Om Shanti.